Hello everyone. Jangan menerapin kabar laikam. Terus yang bawan pe bukur kini video. So subscribe, like, share kini video. The Assam Rifles Sport Quota Recruitment 2025. The official dates for the Assam Rifles Sport Quota Recruitment 2025 notification will be released soon. For the applications, the basis overviews dates or details are given in the table below. The last date September 2025. And total vacancy 69 posts. Mode of applications online. The Assam Rifles per Quarters 2025 notifications PDF has been released to the official websites on 13th August for the recruitment of 29 Constable General duties per quota. Candidates can go through the official notifications PDF by clicking the direct link shared below in a page. The post wise details displays wise vacancy details displays boxing male 3 female 3 and the footballs 05 female 4 taekwondo 4 athletics 4 contest 7 shooting sports 2 speak the crowd 2 0 karate 4 6 badminton 2 and the total posts male 30 female 39. The important states the Assam Rifles per quota notification will be released on 13 August and the dates for the online application start from 16 August 2025 and the last date for the online application form is 15 September 2025. In recruitment, it is also very important to check the numbers of vacancy, and it is 69 posts. Assam Rifles per quota important dates. Starting dates of online apply 16/08/2025. The closing dates of online apply 15/09/2025. And age limit, Assam Rifles age limit. The minimums are requires 18 years and the maximums are age below 23 years as on 1st August 2025. OBC 3 years, scheduled track ST 5 years, scheduled caste SC 5 years. Is relaxation. Bila apply to our professional, then the candidates must have passed matriculations, then passed any recognized boards. And the PDF done by sport certificate. They participated in any international competitions, national competitions, inter-university tournaments. Kailangan apply gini international, national, university tournament. Kailangan done by gini certificates, national sports, games, sport, school, national awards winners in national physical efficiency drive. Kailangan done by certificates. Kailangan apply gini post. And application fees, generals, EWS orders, 100 rupees. Given save, STSC, don't come and save, no application fees, the females, no application fees. And the test, physical standard test, the PST, test names, the height, males 170 centimeters, the females 157 centimeters. The chest, males 65 centimeters. And the male candidates race those who qualify in the PST will be subjects to Thus 5 kilometers race to be complete within 24 minutes. Video happened up half some minute. The females from first 5 meters race to be completed within 4 minutes. Okay. Tang kita gini jumatip gini tes. Subscribe like share gini video kan sampai biang gini ban sawan ke notifications. The next video ngan sinabiang ke akum no ban apply ngan sapan baru gini post ke Assam Rifles as per kota. Tang kita jumatip tak komunikasi.